Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this beautiful question on set theory, and it wants me to find P intercept Q union Q complement. Now, we are given that P and Q are non-empty subsets. I believe this question just wants to test your understanding of intercept and union. Now, look at here's a universal set, and let's assume we have P and we have Q this way. So the first thing we should address is what we have in the bracket, which is Q union Q complement. Q complement on its own is what you don't have in Q at all. Now this is Q here, the whole of Q here, and what I don't have in Q is what you have outside of Q. Now you have Q union Q in complement. Q union Q complement refers to the whole universal set. Why? Because it is what you have in Q union plus what you don't have in Q. So that's everything you have in the universal set. So I can easily replace this as P intercept the universal set. Now when you now talk of P now, I have P here, here is P, here is P, intercept the universal set. P intercept the universal set refers to what you have in P and also in the universal set. So that P intercept the universal set, obviously it's P on its own. So my correct answer to this question is option E. With this, I hope you understood the concept of intercept and union better. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.